Hello, hello, hello. I'm here to try this great value cashew sweet and salty chewy granola bars. Got these at Walmart. They were under $5 for the box. There is 6 bars in the box. Each bar is 1 serving and it is 160 calories. 23 grams total carbohydrates. 9 grams total sugar, protein 3 grams, fat 6 grams. So, not the very healthiest ever, but if you just need a little something and you don't care about like going 100% healthy. I mean, these are only 160 calories, but it's, oh. Let's see here, sodium, 140 milligrams of sodium. So yeah, they're not, you know, they are what they are. They're a snack. But yeah, I got these at Walmart. Stomach is growling, so I figured this is a good time to do a taste test. I am a fan of cashews, so I have high hopes that I'm going to enjoy this product. Okay, here's what I'm seeing when I first open it up. Pretty simplistic. It looks like there's some kind of a yogurt flavored material on the bottom. It smells pretty good. It has kind of a sweet smell to it, almost mapley in a way. It tastes really nice. Very cashew forward. It's salty, it's sweet. Yeah. It has a good mouthfeel. The chew on it's nice. It almost reminds me of like either honey or maple syrup. Some kind of a naturally sweet, syrupy type of situation. Yeah, these are good. I'll be enjoying this whole box. Out of 5 stars, I would probably give this, I think I could give this a solid 4 stars out of 5. I'll see if I can link these below. And if you've ever tried these, what'd you think of them? Were you a fan? And if you haven't tried these, do you typically like granola bars? Let me know if you enjoy granola bars down below. And if you answered yeah to that question, check these out at your local Walmart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.